Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class conducted by MCGM. So today I'm taking one activity. Ready, students? So
Yes.
first, clap your hands, clap your head, tap your cheeks, roll your hand, fast, slow, fast. Okay. So students, today we learn English subject. I show you one picture. Now you tell me what you see in this picture. Okay, ready?
Yes. Ready.
I am sharing my picture. This is a picture of fun fair. Okay. So what you see in this picture?
I've seen one girl is eating ice cream and one boy is drinking the cool drink.
Yes.
And one boy is playing and one boy and one girl is eating the ice cream.
Yes, ice cream. And see, here are some rides like giant wheel. Okay, toy train, Ferris wheel. You see, when you go to fun fair, you see so many things, so many rides, okay, and popcorn. See the stall of popcorn, ice cream stall, so many different things of stalls you see in the fair, okay. You go to fair, students, with your family and friends?
No.
No. Okay. So, when we go to fun fair, there are some stalls of popcorn, ice cream, and candy floors, and some rides, okay, like giant wheel, Tora Tora, merry-go-round, toy train, so many rides, okay. So when we go to fun fair, we enjoy all these rides, okay. So today we learn a lesson about a fun fair, okay. So students, today we learn Unit 6, lesson number 2, Shyam's horse cart. Yes, Shyam's horse cart. Unit 6, lesson number 2. So students, what is the meaning of cart? See this picture. Here we see the picture of pulling by, see, this wooden joint wheels. We tell this is a cart, and pulling by a camel, a bullock, a donkey, a horse. Okay. So you understand the meaning of cart? Student? See, this is a camel cart, bullock cart, donkey cart. Okay. We put some vegetables and fruits and grains and take one place to another place. Okay. Animals go one place to another place to pull this cart. Okay. And this cart used uh, for transportation also. Now today we learn, our lesson is Shyam's horse cart. Okay, student? Now see, students. See the picture. This is a picture of horse cart. See one boy sitting on the cart. Okay, and this is a horse. This boy name is Shyam. Which name is this boy?
Shyam.
Shyam, yes. and this is Shyam's horse cart. Okay. So I am reading and explaining this lesson. See students, see the picture properly. Okay. Shyam started in his horse cart to go to the fair. On the way, Madhu and Meera said, "Can we come?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. "See these two girls. One is Madhu and second is Meera. Meera and Madhu also want to go to fair and they saw Shyam go to fair. Okay, so they asked Shyam, "Can we come?" Then Shyam say, "Oh yes." So Madhu and Meera sitting on the cart. Now see the second picture. Shyam, Madhu and Meera. These three persons sitting on the cart and go to fair. Now see the second picture. Which animal you see in this picture?
Dog.
Yes,
Dog.
dog. What dog is doing?
Dog is seeing them.
Yes, dog is seeing them. Now dog seeing them, they are going to fair. Dog also wanted to go fair. The dog saw them. He asked, "Can I come?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. What Shyam say? Yes,
He
you
say,
also, you
yes,
also,
you can come.
yes, you also come with us. Okay. When we enjoy, we enjoy. When more people are in a fun fair, so we enjoy a lot. Okay, students. So you understand two paragraph?
Yes.
Okay. Now Shyam said, dog to come with us. Now see the next picture. They were going through the fields. Now see the next picture. Which new animal you see in this picture?
Peacock.
Yes.
Peacock.
When they go from,
Peacock.
yes, when they go from field, the peacock saw them and asked, "Can I come to the fair?" Peacock also know. They all are going to fair. Which four member going to fair? Shyam,
Shyam, dog, Madhu, Meera.
yes. The peacock see this four member go to fair. Now peacock also asks, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. What Shyam said? "Sure, you also join with us." Now, see the next picture. So, how many members sitting card? Tell me, students.
Shyam, dog, Madhu, Meera, and Peacock.
So, how many people? How many members? 5 members. Okay.
Fun.
2 animals, dog and peacock, and 3 persons, Shyam, Madhu, and Meera. All 5 members go to the horse cart to fair. When they were crossing the river, the frog asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh yes," said all of them. Shyam said, "Come and sit near me." Now see students next picture. The frog is the frog is in the water. Okay. So when the frog see the horse cart, the frog knows they all are going to fair. So frog also asks, "Can I come?" So Shyam say, "Okay, but cart is full of these 5 members. So Shyam, come and sit near me." Okay. This all how many members go to fair? Fun fair?
6 people.
Six members. Shyam, Madhu, Meera, dog, peacock, and the last member is?
Shyam.
Yes.
Shyam and Frog.
Yes. Shyam, frog, Madhu, Meera, dog and peacock. They all go to fun fair. They saw the fair from a distance. Students, you see the picture of fair?
Yes.
Yes. They also see the fair from a distance. The peacock was so happy. Okay, students, you know when peacock was so happy, what is doing? What peacock is doing?
He
When
separated his feathers and doing the dancing.
yes, when peacock is feeling very happy, so spread its
Doing
feather
the dancing.
and start dancing. So peacocks, when peacock saw the fairs, was very happy. Peacock was very happy and spread his feather and started dancing. But see, cart is full of members of all. Cart is in cart. There is no place for dancing. Yes or no?
Yes.
But one feather touched the dog's ear. Okay, when peacock is dancing, one feather touched dog's ear, and dog's frightened. He sprang up and barked loudly. Or suddenly move. Okay, the dog suddenly moved and barked loudly. See the picture. See this picture. The feather touched the dog's ear. Yes, students, you see this picture?
Yes.
Yes. See, this is a feather and touch dog's ear. So, dog barked loudly. Madhu was frightened. Okay. When dog barked loudly, we also frighten the students. So, Madhu
Yes.
was frightened. Meera fell on the frog. When Madhu frightened, Meera fell on the frog. And the frog fell on the horse. Suddenly, frog fell on the horse. So, horse also frightened. And that the rain helter shelter. Helter skelter. Helter skelter means run here and there. Okay. The horse also confused. And he afraid. And he also run here and there. Means helter skelter. Okay. Now see students, see this picture. When frog jump on the horse. What you see in this picture? The second picture. They all fall down.
Yes.
Yes.
Shyam fell.
Yes. Shyam.
Then Madhu and Meera also fell off one by one. All of them fell off.
Yes. Very good student. Shyam fell off. See this picture. Shyam fell off. The Madhu and Meera also fell off. One by one, all the dog, the peacock, all fell off. When it reached near the fair, Shyam, Madhu, Meera, the dog, the peacock, and the frog were all panting when they reached. Okay, they all walking and come to the fair, but they all are very tired. Yes, students, they fall off and they walk from walk to the fair. So they all are very tired. Till then, the horse became quiet and relaxed. In the evening, they return happily in the horse cart. Students then they go to fair and they enjoy all the rides, okay, and eat popcorn, ice cream, all the things. They all people enjoy so much. And then when the horse become quiet and relaxed in the evening, they all return happily in the horse cart. Yes, students, see the picture, last picture. They all are happy. Yes or no?
Yes.
See their face. They all are happy. Yes, student, you see the last picture.
Yes. Yes.
So how is story?
It
You
is
like?
a nice story.
Yes.
It's a nice story.
Yes, it's a nice story. And we also go to fun fair. We feel like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm reading one time this story. Okay. You see in listen this story. Shyam started in this horse cart to go to the fair. On the way, Madhu and Meera say, "Can we come?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. The dog saw them. He asked, "Can I come?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. They were going through the fields. The peacock saw them and asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh yes," said Shyam. When they were crossing the river, the frog asked, "Can I come to the fair?" "Oh yes," said all of them. Shyam said, "Come and sit near me." They saw the fair from a distance. The peacock was so happy. It spread its feathers and started dancing. But one feather touched the dog's ear. He sprang up and barked loudly. Madhu was frightened. Meera fell on the frog. The frog fell on the horse. The horse was so frightened that he helter-skelter. Shyam fell off. Then Madhu and Meera also fell off. One by one, all of them fell off. When it reached near the fair, Shyam, Madhu, Meera, the dog, the peacock, and the frog were all petting when they reached. Till then, the horse became quiet and relaxed. In the evening, they return happily in the horse cart. Okay, students. Now, we see the hard words. Okay. So, we read these words one time. Okay. So, first word is horse cart. HORSECART. Cart. Horse cart. Repeat after me.
Horse card. Horse card.
Very good. Second word is peacock.
Peacock.
PEACOCK. Peacock. Okay.
Peacock.
Yes, very good. Third word is fields. FEFIELDS. Fields.
Field. Field.
Fourth word is fair. FAIR. Fair.
Field. Fair.
Yes. Next word is cup. COME. Cup.
Come.
Yes. Now next, near. NEAR. Near.
Near.
Yes. Next word is frog. F-R-O-G, frog.
F-R-O-G, frog.
Yes. Again. A-G-A-I-N, again.
A-G-A-I-N, again.
Yes, very good. Panting. P-A-N-T-I-N-G, panting.
P-A-N-T-I-N-G, pant.
Painting.
Painting. Painting.
Next word is quite. Q-U-I-E-T.
Quite. Q-U-I. Quite. Q-U-I-E-T. Quite. Q-U-I-T.
Quite. Okay, next.
Q-U-I-E-T. Quite.
Okay, next word is happily. H-A-P-P-I-N-Y, happily.
H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. I-L-Y, happily.
Yes. Next, last word is sprank. S-P-R-A-N-G, sprank.
S-P-R-A-N-G, sprank.
Yes. So students, this is our hard word. You read in our textbook. Okay. So again, one time I read this word. Hotstart, peacock, field, fair, come, near, frog,
फटकी देई ना मोबाईल पडला तर
painting, white.
रोग आले कालपासून चालत नाही बरोबर.
Tell me, who went to the fair with Shyam?
Madhu, Meera, the dog, and peacock.
And one
And
more.
frog.
Yes. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Shyam, who went to the fair with Shyam? So say, tell me, repeat after me. Madhu,
Madhu,
Veera,
Meera,
dog,
dog,
the dog,
the dog,
the peacock,
the peacock,
and the frog.
and the frog.
Now say students, tell me 5 names of vehicles. Different vehicles. You know vehicles? Tell me the 5 names of vehicles.
Scooter,
Yes.
cycle,
Yes, scooter, cycle.
ship, guide,
Cart, yes.
auto rickshaw,
Auto rickshaw.
school bus,
And school bus, very good. So many vehicles we see on the road. Truck, tempo, rickshaw, taxi, cars. Okay, very good students. Now, tell me the names of things you see in the fair. What do you see in the fair? There are some stalls like ice cream, candy flows, popcorn, okay, merry-go-round, some rides, giant wheel. Yes, giant wheel.
giant wheel, popcorn, candy floss, ice cream, cold drink.
This is all shops, but we see some rides also, no? Giant merry-go-round, jumping. Yes, students.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, students, tell me one more. I ask you one more question. Why did the horse run helter-skelter?
Because horse so frightened. That's why.
Yes, because horse so frightened. Very good, students. Now, I give you homework. in your textbook, page number 54 and 55. Okay. So you read this lesson one time. Okay. Read this
Okay.
lesson properly and then write question answer on page number 56. Sorry, 54, 55 and 56. And write hard words also. Okay, students?
Okay,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay. Did you understand? Did you enjoy this story?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you enjoy this story, so like and subscribe our channel. Okay. And press the bell icon. Goodbye, students.